Take a moment to check out the 2023 Nissan Kicks. Here's a tech-savvy Kicks that knows what you need to make travel fun. From its nimble handling to its roomy interior, trendy style, and touchscreen infotainment, this snazzy small SUV offers larger-than-life value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels. Navigate your world in confidence and style in this safety-minded Kicks. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.